Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Hi.
For today's class, I'm going to teach you all how to make a delicious banana cream pie. The ingredients we're going to be using are frozen pie dishes,
Okay.
vanilla pudding mix,
Ooh, I love banana pudding mix.
cinnamon,
Cinnamon.
whipped cream,
Whipped cream and sprinkles?
no,
Oh.
and bananas.
Bananas? What is that? Is that whipped cream too?
No, it's a yellow fruit.
Oh, yellow fruit? I thought it was sprinkles. I got happy.
Okay. Alright, before we do that, let's see who this week's helper is. Helper Wheel, take it away.
Kelly? She's not here.
Yes.
It's just says Giselle.
Giselle.
Oh, Giselle.
Alright, Giselle, you're up.
Giselle, good job.
It's okay, Dad. Alright, Giselle, let's start by baking these pie dishes.
Is that peanut butter?
No, they're pie dishes.
Oh yeah, pie dishes. I like that.
Okay, first remove from its original packaging, like so.
I love pie dishes.
Before doing so, make sure the oven is preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
No cooking sheets.
No.
Not
So yeah, before doing so, it has 3 sticks on the bottom of the shell.
Pie. Like it smells like pizza.
3 small slits.
Biting.
Small slits. Small.
No, not the food is disgusting.
Close enough. Alright. One pie dish here. And the other one here. Close it. You move forward. Leave it in there for 15 minutes. Now, while we wait for the shells to bake, let's do our pie filling. Alright, first you peel the banana. Peel the bananas and place them in the bowl. Now you. Banana slam at Donkey Kong. Okay, now we take our whisk and mash the banana. And it's like so. Alright, let's see you do it. Next, put in a few spoonfuls of whip. Cool Whip.
Cool Whip. Cool Whip from Family Guy.
Cool Whip.
Yeah, it's really funny. It always will be.
Stewie.
It has funny Stewie and Brian thing, and it always will be.
Yeah.
Can't have pie without Cool Whip.
Yeah.
Next, we got our bags of the vanilla pudding mix. Flip it open.
Mix it.
Put it in the bowl. So. Alright, now we mix in the mixture like so. Now see these shells out of the oven. Oh, before you do so, always make sure you're wearing oven mitts. Pull them out by your hand.
If you don't want oven mitts, you gotta put your hands.
Fingers.
You ready? That was ready.
Now I just jump. Now let's jump up some bananas for decoration.
Ooh, bananas.
First grab a banana and peel it.
Bananas.
Picture one, 21.
That's windy outside.
So let's go. First, when you're cutting a banana, or anything, you always make sure you have a grip on the knife, like so. And for the other hand, always make sure you make your hand to a rough paw. And slowly cut like so. If you're ever doing this kind of if you ever plan on doing this kind of action while in the kitchen, you should always ask a parent, guardian, or DSP to assist you.
Oh yeah.
If you try to use a knife without experience, well, let's just say I hope you learn how to grab a book without fingers. Okay, watch closely. Have a grip on the knife, rock up on the other, and cut slowly, like so. Now let's see you do it.
Be careful. So you can cut yourself.
Slowly,
Oh man.
slow and steady. Let's make our banana creams. Okay, first scoop about half of vanilla or mixture. Place it on the pan.
Wow.
Now you.
Yeah. Watch out.
Alright, next you spread. Spread our all over the pie shell like so. Now see you spread. Up, gentle. Okay. Next we take our whipped cream and shake it. From a white creamy ring. Like this.
No, not yet.
Now you. Done. Like this.
I'll take a look at it.
You can do it. Right. You can sit right here. Sit right here and push down. Oh, oh. Okay, okay. We're all here to learn. Hold on.
You peeking.
Yeah, I guess we're out.
Wow, what queen?
Okay.
I guess we don't have more
Next, we
wood
take our
queen.
sliced banana. Take our sliced bananas. And place it on our cream pie like so. Now you. Remember, slow and steady. Finally, you sprinkle.
Cinnamon.
You lightly sprinkle cinnamon on top. Remember, a light sprinkle.
Not yet. It's not 12 o'clock.
Yeah, that's it. And that, class, is how we make some 2 delicious banana cream pies.
Yay!